Welcome to another video on simultaneous equation for class 9. I had completed 5 sums from this exercise. Starting from the 6th sum, y is equal to 4x minus 7, 16x minus 5y is equal to 25. Let's equation these two equations as 1 and 2. From 1 we get y is equal to 4x minus 7. On putting this value of y in equation 2 we get 16x minus 5 into 4x minus 7 is equal to 25. So 16x minus 20x plus 35 is equal to 25. Minus 4x is equal to 25 minus 35. Minus 4x is equal to minus 10x. X is equal to minus 10 by minus 4, that is 5 by 2. Now x is equal to 5 by 2. Now substituting the value of x in 1 we get y is equal to 5 by 2 minus 7, that's equal to 10 minus 7, that's equal to 3. Therefore y is equal to 3, x is equal to 5 by 2 and 3. Just pausing this for a minute. And this is a pretty simple sum. Let's move on to the next sum. 2x plus 7y is equal to 39. 3x plus 5y is equal to 31. Let's name these equations as 1 and 2 respectively. From 1 we get x is equal to 39 minus 7y by 2. On putting the value of x in 2, we get 3 into 39 minus 7y by 2 plus 5y is equal to 31. Therefore, 117 minus 21y plus 10y is equal to 62. This is, I have taken the LCM and everything else. So, minus 11y is equal to minus 62 minus 117. Minus 11y is equal to minus 55. Y is equal to minus 55 by minus 11, that is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. I am pausing in for a minute for you to understand how I got y. Hope this is clear. Now, on substituting the value of y in 1, we get x is equal to 39 minus 7 into 5 by 2. X is equal to 39 minus 5 by 2 is equal to 4 by 2, that is x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. Hope this is clear. Just pausing for a few seconds. The next question, 1.5x plus 0.1y is equal to 6.2. 3x minus 0.4y is equal to 11.2. So we name these equations 1 and 2 respectively. So from 1, 1.5x plus 0.1y is equal to 6.2. 1.5 x is equal to 6.2 minus 0.1. Therefore, x is equal to 6.2 minus 0.1y divided by 1.5. Let's name this equation as 3. Now substituting the value of x in 2, we get 3x minus 0.4y is equal to 11.2. Let's substitute the value of x. I have done that here. That is 3 into 6.2 minus 0.1y by 1.5 minus 0.4 is equal to 11.2. That is 2 into 6.2 minus 0.1y minus 0.4y is equal to 11.2. Okay. That is 12.4 minus 0.2y is minus 0.4y is equal to 11.2. Minus 0.6y is equal to minus 1.2. Y is equal to minus 1.2 by minus 0.6. Y is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Just pausing in for a few minutes here. And now substituting the value of y in 3. 6.2 minus 0.1y divided by 1.5. On substitution and simplifying, we get x is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. I am just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand how I got x. Hope this is clear. Now, next one is 2 into x minus 3 plus 3 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 into x minus 1 plus 4 into y minus 4 is equal to 0. We'll name these equations as 1 and 2 respectively. We know that 2 minus 6 plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. That is 2x minus 21 plus 3y is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 21 minus 3y. X is equal to 21 minus 3y by 2. Let's name this equation as 3. I'm just pausing in for a minute. And now what we do is from 2 we get 5 into x minus 1 plus 4 into y minus 4 is equal to 0. 5x minus 5 plus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. So 5x plus 4y minus 21 is equal to 0. That is equation 4. Substituting x in 3, from 3 in 4 we get 5 into 21 minus 3y by 2 plus 4y minus 21 is equal to 0. That becomes 105 minus 15y by 2 plus 4y is equal to 21. So 105 minus 15y plus 8y is equal to 2 into 21. I am just taking the LCM actually. 105 minus 7y is equal to 42. Okay, so minus 7y is equal to 42 minus 105, that's equal to minus 63. 7y is equal to 63, y is equal to 63 by 7, that is equal to 9. Therefore, y is equal to 9. Now, substitute the value of y is equal to 9 in equation 3. What is equation 3? X is equal to 21 minus 3 into 9 by 2. On simplification, you get x is equal to minus 3. I am just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand it. And the steps, follow each and every step and see how you derive at x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, in this sum, x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 9. Hope this is clear. Let's quickly move on to the 10th sum. 2x plus 1 by 7 plus 5y minus